Welcome. In front of me I have Sony wireless speaker extra bass, and today I'll show you how you can hard reset this device. So at first let's grab our Sony device, and of course you have to turn it on by using this button, and when it's turned on and the indicator is blinking, we have to move right here. We have to open it like that, and as you can see here we can find the reset button. So we have to prepare some kind of the thin object. I will get this household item, and we have to put it right here inside this reset button. Put it here, and then just simply press this button. We have to keep holding for like 10 seconds, and when you hear this characteristic sound, you can release that key, close this one, and as you can see our device is connected, and let's check out how it looks here. And right now it was just restored to the default settings with the hard reset method. Thank you guys for watching, leave thumbs ups, comments and subscribe to our channel.